Hello viewers, welcome to my channel versatilelion. So the top 5 businesses to start in USA are 1. Jewelry making. Jewelry production has become an extremely promising business option for entrepreneurs in the USA due to rising trend and style awareness. A person with an entrepreneurial spirit, familiarity with current fashion trends, and a love of jewelry can launch a jewelry making firm. 2. Landscaping. A person who is knowledgeable enough about landscape architecture is a landscape expert. The practice of landscape architecture entails site evaluation, site inventory, land planning, planting design, grading, stormwater management, sustainable design, construction specification, and making sure that all designs adhere to current building codes and regional and national regulations. 3. Marketing copywriting. You can run a profitable marketing copywriting firm in the United States of America if you can plan and develop inventive internet campaigns and content for your clientele. You will need to develop social media campaigns, applications, mobile competitions, videos, email distribution lists, search engine optimization strategies, online media ad purchases, or a combination of all of the aforementioned. 4. Mobile salon. People who just do not have time in their hectic schedules to treat themselves to the pleasure of salon services, especially when they work full-time or are elderly, can take advantage of the services offered by mobile salon firms.
A person with an interest in and background in beauty and cosmetology could offer this service by traveling to the client's house or any other desired place, such as an office, hotel, or hospital. 15. Online selling. You might establish an online business from home if you are an expert in a certain subject. The manufacturer can be your supplier for the finished product, and you can sell it on your website or through other online marketplaces.